Morning guys, welcome to another vlog. Come out with Ben, House and Esther. We've been on a little morning cycle ride, but unfortunately I've got a puncture in my front tyre, so I've had to get an off-road bike to save the day. Where should we head to now? Back to Eaton Park? Yeah. I think we're going to head back to Eaton Park and put the remote control car on the lake. So we've come to Eaton Park now, and we've got the beautiful RC tyre out, and we're going to put it on the ice. And I've also rented this lovely GoPro that is very securely fastened. Jack had an ingenious idea to sellotape, to tie it up with my shoelace, which is what we've done. So hopefully now it won't fall off. So we cycled back to my place and we're going to go get some breakfast at the Unthanked Kitchen. Jack's got to be at uni for 9:30, but we've got half an hour still, so I'm going to rag it. Ben came. Yeah, he managed to cycle a bike, which was pretty impressive. Yeah, I know, what's it for me? Come on. Esther came as well. Did you enjoy it, Esther? Good, good. Jack obviously loved it. It was the highlight of his year. Oh, she's in the vlog. Smiling away in front. Oh. Let's hope the Unthanked Kitchen does a nice breakfast. Oh yeah. Let's dig in, guys. That was beautiful.
Let's make that our new sport.
Yeah, definitely.
Really nice, really nice. Yeah, I'll put it down. Yeah, man.
Fine.
He's got behind a camera, isn't he, this one? Look, now I'm behind a camera.
Hiya, is this Luan?
It is.
Hiya, yeah, I think we may have your cat.
Ready?
Yeah,
Do you want me to come and retrieve her?
yeah, that would be lovely.
Yeah, when she keeps running off, the only thing I can't guarantee is that she's not going to come back.
Yeah,
It's really weird, like, I've had her about 8 years, and
yeah.
she's never gone out of the garden until the last month. She just keeps wandering off.
Yeah.
Right, okay, we'll pop round in a minute.
Great, thank you very much.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Bye. Hiya. Here to come and get Maggie. Sure, come in. You right?
Hello. Was he been throwing up and shit like that?
Yeah, she's been in the house a little bit, but she's been here for like 2 weeks now.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Maggie. Nothing. Who's that?
Maggie!
Do you want to take her home?
Thank you.
Bye, Maggie. Bye.
Thank you, bye.
No. So little Maggie turned out to be cool, has gone back to her home round the corner. I feel really sad now. Poor cat.
How sad.
How sad. But she's gone back to her home now, that's where she needs to be.
I'll see you soon. Let me know when you're back.
Yep,
A little bit.
I will do. Have a safe drive. Bye. What the hell are you doing here? Oh, look. Come on in. You got a call in Norwich?
Yeah, I've done one.
Right, do you want a coffee without a handle or with a handle? Okay. There you go. Ooh. I've got 2 new cups this week from, you know, Lucy's Emporium in town.
Oh, yeah.
This is my other one. I don't think it's meant to be a coffee cup, but
What's you doing?
it's cool for coffee. Cheers.
Yeah. Very nice.
Alright, see you later. I'll be home in a couple of weeks because I've got a reading week. But
Next week,
is it next week, half term? Yeah, look, it works now. Yeah. Alright, see you mate. Bye. Okay, so there we go. We managed to get Maggie the cat back to her owners and they were pretty pleased. Ben's just left, he's gone back to Colchester now, Jack's at uni, and we had a really good morning out exploring again. I've just received this lovely little parcel here, which I'm going to have an open now. Basically, it's from a company that have not just started, a company in Norwich called Event One Threads. I'll leave a link to the description, link in the description below. They've actually sent me a t-shirt. It says, "Hey Ben, hope you like the tea. I can't wait to see some photos of you in your vlogs from Event One." So thank you very much from Event One Threads. Let's try it out. So what have we got? Oh, nice. Ta-da! So there we go. That's what it looks like on. Very nice t-shirt. Thank you very much to Event One. Go check them out in the description. Also, I'd like to say thank you to Johnny Paul again for letting me use your music. It makes the vlogs just that little bit better. And yeah, we'll see you again with another early morning exploring soon. Cheers!